in a hushed corridors of power, where real influence is rarely shouted but quietly asserted. One name continues to rise: retired General Philip Valerius Sibanda. Sanabena mashoko muda panguva inanyogwa achinzi the quiet commander kuti General Sibanda be Zimbabwe's next president. Sanabena mashoko anomuda nyogwa panguva ino our third eye. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipita munaona intambiro nyora chiti. He is not a politician in the traditional sense. He does not tweet, he does not campaign, and he does not grandstand. But in a political culture that increasingly values stability over spectacle, his silence speaks volumes. As President Emmerson Mnangagwa's second term comes to an end, the question of succession looms large within ZANU-PF. While several names have been floated, some loudly, others strategically, General Sibanda stands apart, not because he is most visible, but because he is the most plausible. President Mnangagwa's administration has been defined by a sweeping infrastructure agenda: roads, dams, power station, the rural industrialization. These are not projects that can be completed in a single term or even two. They require continuity, discipline, and a leader who understands the machinery of the state. Retired General Sibanda has been a key figure in maintaining national stability during a period of economic turbulence and political recalibration. His reputation and professionalism, loyalty and restraint, yes, and him quite respect across the political divide. In a party often driven by factionalism, he is seen as a neutral force, respected, not feared, disciplined, not divisive. Tomashoko anobuda chitoko pamusoro paGeneral Philip Valerius Sibanda. Imodzi yamafunguro enyu matikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.